Okay, what is your opinion of the props token? I bought it back in the ICO in 2017, and I'm wondering if it's a legitimate project. Um, I also invested back then, but then they give people an option to get a refund, and I pulled out because I kind of saw where things were going with U.S. projects, and I figured it would be a long time until they launched the token. And I think, did they ever launch the token? Let me take a look, because Blockstack ended up doing it, but did props do one? Okay, looks like they did launch their token, but market cap 12 million. And where is this trading? CoinList. Okay, so OKX, Uniswap. It hasn't really done much, to be honest. Let's just check out the ROI. Yeah, so it's down 32%. So it's been trading since 2018. Wow. Yeah, it's been pretty quiet. But I mean, I would not personally invest in it, but that's just kind of my take. If I was still holding it, honestly, I would get out. But that's not financial advice. I think the opportunity cost, unless you strongly believe in the project and you think this is going to be big, actually, let's take a look and see what they've been up to. I haven't seen their site in a while. Yeah, so honestly, I don't think this is what I would be personally investing in right now during this. They basically, they kind of pivoted now, I see. They're creating a protocol or platform for people to issue loyalty tokens. But I mean, Ethereum kind of does that already. So, I mean, definitely not something I would personally be invested in. Hope that helps.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.